In the world of Shopify, every millisecond counts. A slow store isn't just an annoyance, it's a silent sales killer.
If your page takes more than 3 seconds to load, you've already lost half your customers. That's money left on the table.
Introducing SpeedBoost AI Speed Engine. The smartest way to supercharge your Shopify store instantly. Our advanced AI analyzes your store's code, images, and scripts, optimizing them for peak performance without breaking your design. See the results in real time. From an 84 on mobile to a blistering 94 on desktop, SpeedBoost gives you the data you need to stay ahead.
No coding required. With one-click setup and seamless Shopify integration, you're optimized in seconds, not hours. Faster speeds mean better SEO rankings and higher conversion rates. Watch your traffic turn into loyal customers. Stop losing sales to slow load times. Install SpeedBoost today. Give your store the edge it deserves.